Okay, Sunset sells a ton of pre-owned cars and trucks. Everybody knows that, right? Well, and according to the cross-sell report, Sunset's one of the top pre-owned dealerships in the whole state. But to sell that many vehicles... That's a funny word, isn't it? Vehicles? Yeah, well, anyway, you have to have a huge inventory, which they do. And that means they constantly need more vehicles, right? A funny word. So dealerships send buyers to used car auctions all over the country, and that ain't cheap, baby. You got airline tickets, hotel, rental cars, meals, incidentals, and more just to get there. Then you got that bidding war at the auction. And then there's the auction fee, dealership shipping charges, repair and safety inspection cost. Can't save customers money doing all that, right? Am I right? Come on, am I right?
You are correct, sir.
So here's the deal. Sunset will just pay you for your vehicle. Sometimes way more than book. Whether you want to trade it or just sell it for a bunch of cash, we don't care.
We pay more than anyone.
So call or stop by. Sunset Kia or Sunset Mitsubishi in Auburn, or Sunset Chevrolet or Sunset Ford in tiny overhead Sumner.
You are correct, sir.